a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. NYSE Arca has filed paperwork with the SEC to launch a fund issued by Truth Social, owned by Trump Media and Technology Group. The proposed fund, named Truth Social Bitcoin ETF, would track the price of Bitcoin similar to existing spot Bitcoin ETFs. Yorkville America Digital, in partnership with Trump Media, is behind the filing, with Forest DAX Trust Company set to be the fund's custodian if approved. Social media giant Meta on Tuesday inked a 20-year deal with a nuclear power plant to buy 1.1 gigawatts of electrical output for AI purposes, yet another signal that tech giants are serious about investing into the necessary infrastructure to power their data centers. Bitcoin miners, a number of which have begun diversifying their operations for AI purposes, could be benefiting from the news. Mara Holdings, Riot Platform, Hut 8, Core Scientific and CleanSpark are among those sporting sizable gains, each ahead 7 to 8% behind the close of US trade. Pump.fun is planning to raise $1 billion in a token sale at a $4 billion fully diluted valuation, according to Blockworks, which added that it was unable to confirm timing nor whether the new token would be issued on Pump.fun. The platform, which allows any and all to freely create their own tokens on the Solana blockchain, has generated more than $700 million in total revenue since launching more than a year ago. Solana's SOL dipped about 2% as the news hit, but has since recovered about half of that knee-jerk decline. OpenAI, the leading artificial intelligence company, has announced its next big step in India. The firm has announced a program named AI for Impact Accelerator program in the country. According to the tech giant, this program will support groups that use AI to solve big social issues, especially in places where there is the limitation of the resources. The program is a part of OpenAI Academy, which aims to make AI easy and helpful for everyone in their daily life in different sectors. The firm will provide $150,000 in credits to 11 Indian non-profits. These credits will work like prepaid cards that will let them use OpenAI's AI tools without worrying about monthly bills, making it simpler to work with the technology. Paris-based cryptocurrency firm Blockchain Group has acquired $68 million of Bitcoin, joining a growing wave of European institutions adding BTC to their balance sheets. The Blockchain Group, which claims to be Europe's first Bitcoin treasury firm, has acquired 624 Bitcoin for $68.7 million. The latest acquisition brings the firm's total holdings to 1,471 Bitcoin, or over $154 million, with a BTC yield of 1,097.6% YTD, the Blockchain Group announced in a June 3 X post. Solar Bank Corporation is now also following the footsteps of Michael Saylor's strategy by adding Bitcoin to its treasury reserves. This design is part of a long-term plan to strengthen its finances and appeal to tech-savvy investors. According to the filing, the company has applied to open an account with Coinbase Prime, where they can store Bitcoin securely, use tools like USDC, and use a self-custody wallet. Solar Bank Corporation builds solar and battery storage projects in North America. However, the company has not bought any Bitcoin. Solar Bank says purchases will depend on market conditions, Bitcoin's price, and its own cash flow. The strategy could change at any time depending on business needs. K33AB, a company from Norway that deals with digital assets and research, bought 10 Bitcoin for around $1 million. This purchase was the first step in their new plan called the Bitcoin Treasury Strategy. The firm is listed on the Nasdaq First North Growth Market. According to K33's CEO, the investment will help the firm's brokerage business to grow and expand in new ways. He also shared that the firm has initiatives to buy more Bitcoin, aiming to own at least 1,000 BTC in the future. The Solana Foundation has signed an agreement with Dubai's Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority to make Dubai a top spot for crypto globally. The partnership includes training programs for new talent, sharing data about the crypto industry's impact, holding workshops and advice sessions for startups founders, and creating a special Solana Economic Zone in Dubai. This zone will be a hub for blockchain projects. The Solana Economic Zone in Dubai will be a major hub for blockchain ideas, bringing in developers and businesses. Fintech giant Revolut appears to be gearing up for a move into the crypto derivatives market as a new job posting hints at plans to build the business from scratch. A recent listing for a general manager crypto derivatives role shows that Revolut is actively recruiting in London, Barcelona, and Dubai. The position would oversee the end-to-end end-to-end launch of the derivatives platform, from product architecture and trading infrastructure to regulatory compliance and commercial strategy. According to the listing, the goal is to create one of the most trusted, scalable and profitable derivatives offerings in the world, leveraging Revolut's 50 million strong global customer base. South Korea's opposition leader Lee Jae-myung has been sworn in as president following a decisive victory in a snap election after promising a raft of pro-crypto policies during his campaign. Lee has committed to allowing South Korea's $884 billion national pension fund to invest in Bitcoin and crypto, and has also promised to allow the launch of Bitcoin exchange-traded funds. Lee also has ambitions to launch a Korean won-backed stablecoin to modernize the country's financial system and stem capital outflows. Kim also ran a campaign that supported the launch of spot crypto ETFs and pledged to ease regulations and expand crypto adoption. Well, that's all in this bulletin for now. This is Miyuchi Sharma signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to 3.TV, and for more information stories, log on to our website www.3watchtv.io or scan the QR code.